Good morning, everyone. This is Rhett Miller, sales manager here at Miller's RV, and we're continuing our series on frequently asked questions. And one of the most frequent ones that I do get, and sometimes don't, and it's sad to say, is do I need to use a water pressure regulator? And the question, or the answer is absolutely yes. Pressures in these water systems can get up over 100 pounds, and it's not uncommon to have 80 or 90 pounds of pressure in the unit. And for a part like this that only costs $18 to buy and protect your investment, it's crazy not to. If you've ever woken up in a campground with 1.5 inches to 2 inches of water inside your trailer, and mama gets her socks wet first thing in the morning, you'll appreciate having this piece of equipment. You also spend a lot more on the water hoses that we have to use for these coaches. You want to use an odorless, tasteless hose like I've got here. That way you don't get that green garden hose taste that all of us have had on a hot summer day because our parents made us drink out of it from in the backyard. So protect your investment by attaching the water pressure regulator not to the camper, but attach it to the faucet side where it hooks up at the campground. This will protect your investment on the hose as well as protecting your investment as far as your plumbing on the inside. And here we are outside the 2020 Braxton Creek 290 BHS that we have here in stock. And I wanted to actually show you how you hook this up, and in particular where you hook this up on the outside of the camper. Every RV has a city water connection just like this coach does. They're going to be on the opposite door side where all your other hookups are. They're not going to try and hide it from you, trust me. But you don't want to take your water pressure regulator and hook it here. You want to hook it to the hose end that actually goes to the feed at the campground. Again, that will help protect your hose investment also. They don't give these things away, folks. Make sure you protect your investment on both ends. The plastic piping inside these coaches can really take a lot of pressure. But if you get up over 100 pounds, you're going to start blowing through the fittings. We've had P-traps blow off at the bottom of the sinks, and it does a lot of damage on the inside. The plumbing part is inexpensive to fix, but when you start having wood damage to your floor or to the bases of your cabinets, you can spend thousands of dollars having that repaired. So save yourself a little bit of trouble and put this on the faucet side when you first hook up and get to the campground. It will eventually save a trip for you for, again, an $18 piece of equipment. Now, if you want to move up a little bit and keep a little bit higher pressure inside your camper, the next option is a high pressure water regulator. This costs about $25, $26. But instead of regulating it down to 45 pounds, it'll keep it between 50 and 55. If your pressure at your shower is not good enough with this one, move up to this piece here. You'll really enjoy it. This is probably the best seller in the showroom for us here. Now, if you're one of those guys that has to know the pressure everywhere you go, just so you can switch sites or switch campgrounds, which I've seen, you can move up to the deluxe model, which has the gauge built into it. This piece right here will cost you about $90. And they're available on our website or in our showroom daily at millersrv.com. And remember to always enjoy the journey. Thank you.
Hey, this is Jeff, owner at Miller's RV. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it informative and entertaining. We've got a ton of other videos for you to watch as well. Please comment and like below, subscribe to our other videos, click on one of the other ones, and remember, all of this is to help you enjoy the journey.